Welcome back to our channel, everybody. Hope you guys are having a great day. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok's draft video problem. So basically, when this problem occurs, basically the video which is saved in your draft, you can't post it. Alright, so let me show you the way on how you guys can fix it. And before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question relating this video, you can ask us in the comment. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So if you save a video on draft, basically the video is being saved on your mobile's memory, not on TikTok server. So if you think a video which is saved on your draft, you don't need to save it on your gallery, so you just delete it for some free space. Then sorry, the video is gone. The video which is in your draft still needs to be on your gallery if you want to access it. So let's say I make a video and I save it in draft and I delete that video from my gallery. Then basically the video or like the draft is gonna also be deleted, or it's gonna say the video or the file not found. So please do not delete the video which is saved in your draft, alright? If you delete it from a gallery, there's no way to fix it. But if you still have it, then there's one way to fix it. And this is through this. You just click on drafts. So you select the video. I'm going to select this. And once you're over here, you need to add something. So go back and just add any effect. As you guys can see, I have added a text over here. After I add a text or anything, I just added a text, but you don't need to add a text. You just need to add an effect, alright? You don't need to do anything. Just add any effect like sticker, effects, filter, adjust clip, voice effect, voiceover, do anything you want and click on next and you should be able to post it. So this is it. That's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, everybody. I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.